Do you remember this scene from K-pop Demon Hunters? That cup noodle actually became real, so I made the perfect side dish to eat with it, tuna mayo rice bowls. In Korea, you often see tuna mayo triangle kimbap sold at convenience stores, and people usually eat it with cup noodles. So today, instead of buying it, we are making it at home. We are making two versions using the same ingredients, one shaped like triangle kimbap and the other like rice bowls. Just a warning before we continue, the next few seconds are a little camera shy. Nothing important is missing, I promise. Okay, it's slightly off camera, but you get the idea. Just shape it slowly with your hands. And if you're feeling confident today, go ahead and make a very unique shape. Alright, we are done with the triangle kimbap. Now let's make the rice bowl version. In Korean, we call rice bowls jumokbap. Jumok means fist, bap means rice. So yes, it literally means fist rice. Very educational, right? Yes, this part is also not perfectly filmed. Consistency is important. Okay, we're done cooking. Now it's time to eat this like a real Korean with the roomy cup noodles. Although after checking the cup, roomy seems to be missing. This is how a lot of Koreans eat cup noodles. Fold the lid twice, open it, and use it as a noodle holder. It's easier, less messy, and you don't burn your mouth. Simple but effective. Thank you for watching all the way through. Subscribing is optional but highly appreciated.
맛있어. 맛있다.